Anyways, the ball bearing hazard is mostly eliminated. Yeah, it's always something. Last time I put that angle bucket down, but I didn't have enough room to lay it down flat. I almost busted one of my soybean bags open. So I utilized the tilt. We are going to do spring cleaning in the barn here. I got rid of a few. And it bled off. Somebody actually asked me about that in the comments. And let's hope I only got one bag busted open to clean up. I'd be happy if it only got one bag. Alright, so the good news is it was only one bag, at least from what I could see. I was able to salvage most of them. I got them in that garbage bag. And these ones that are mixed with the dirt, I'm going to have to chuck them. Yep, manual labor. Dang it, I was trying to avoid that, but had to get down on my knees for that. But anyways, the ball bearing hazard is mostly eliminated, so we'll carry on. Alright, it's cold and windy outside, so I'm just going to hop in the excavator, try and get something done today. Anyways, I've got two cuts that I made a little deeper just now. I'm going to try and route that water across from right to left in two different spots to reduce this down here. But so now I'm just gonna tighten this up with the Mongo tilt bucket. I used to have a hump here. You see how I have it curved off to the right. I'm just gonna level it all out because my goal is, if not this rain, next rain or the one after, I will get it right to left across the road up higher, so it just goes into the woods there. We'll see. Water erosion cut out of here, and then I'm just going to regrade it. it. Alright, not bad. I'm going to run over it one more time, back dragging it, but let's see how she's going to work this time. If I'm successful up higher, I think this will hold, but we'll see on the next gully washer. A couple more drags here and we're out. Alright, here's the final after look. Got it cleaned up pretty nice. Got this edge all smoothened out. Ended up having to use the blade. That worked a little better than the tilt bucket. Probably because I'm not good enough with the tilt yet. So we'll see. Next coming rains, we'll see how it goes.